What's up, everybody? My name is Kelsey Brianna J, and I'm a professional makeup artist, beauty educator, as well as beauty influencer. And today I want to talk to you guys about some of my favorite brushes from Royal & Langnickel, the Omnia brushes. And these brushes have been curated and crafted so beautifully that you cannot go wrong with any of the sets. But I have a few different sets here that I would like to take the time out to go through and get you guys more acquainted with them, because as you all know, the holidays are here and it's gift giving season. So these brush sets could be great gifts for others as well as for yourself. So let's go ahead and jump into it, and I'll go through the details of each brush set and give you all pointers about each brush as we go along. So let's first talk about the packaging and how the brushes are presented, because I think Omnia does such a great job at packaging everything so beautifully. It's already packaged as a gift, so I think that this is such a sturdy box that you can store your brushes in, and it is important to have great storage for your brushes. I just love how sleek it looks. So you can slide this out. It comes with a dust bag. I love all of these extra measures to ensure that your brushes are being protected, because it's very important to protect your investments, because I look at brushes as an investment. Your makeup is only going to look as good as the tools that you have. So it's very important to me to take care of my investments. And so when you take your brushes out of the bag, you are presented with a brush wrap, and this is great to store your brushes in as well. Not only can you store these at your house, but you also can take this with you when you're traveling, because it's going to ensure that your brushes are going to arrive securely and in place. So you want to make sure that you have somewhere to store your brushes, and this brush wrap feels really nice. And since it rolls, you can condense your brushes, and like I said, there's 13 different pieces in this set. So let's go ahead and open this up. These brushes are beautiful. I love gold. Just look at them. They look so beautiful. There's a nice range of brush shapes here, so you can do your entire face using this set. So as you all see, I have larger brushes, and then down here I have smaller brushes where I can do more detailed work on the eyes. I love the luxe silk touch of the handles. It feels very smooth and silky in the hand. Plus, I love how long the handles are, because if I want to bring my hand all the way down and apply a really light pressure point when I'm applying my makeup, you can do so with these brushes. So these are all made from natural hair, and they are extremely soft. I love a flat powder brush like this one. This is the BOM 36, and I just find this brush to be perfect to do all things powder on the face. So if I want to set my entire face with this brush, I can. If I want to apply blush, I can. Highlight, bronzer. It's just a super multifaceted brush where I feel like I can do everything I need to do, because it's not too big and it's not too small and it's not super compact, so it's not going to apply a lot of products. It's just going to give me a nice flawless application, and I can do anything I need to do with it. The BOM 34, love this brush for applying product in a more concentrated manner. So when I really want to buff in powder, or say get a little bit more coverage from a product, I will use a brush like this to do so. And similarly, if I want to take product away, because this brush is so compact, I can really go in there and buff it out, and it will diffuse the products so beautifully. The BOM 32 is a great brush to buff out powder. So if you want to use loose powder, you can use this brush. Or if you want to use a cream product and buff it out, you can use this brush as well. But mainly because this brush is so big, it'll be a great brush to diffuse products. The BOM 38 is a great brush for detailed work. So you can apply powder right underneath your eye, or something that I like to do is apply my highlight with these type brushes, because it's very detailed and it's pointed, so you can be very specific with your placement. The fan brush. This is a fan favorite for applying highlight, and it just wisps that powder on, and it gives you a really nice diffused glow. And now we're into the more detailed brushes. So like I said, I prefer to use smaller brushes like these, for my eye area. And this brush right here is a great powder brush to apply eyeshadow all over the lid. And this one is the BOM 40. And I also really like to use brushes like this to blend out any eye primer or eyeshadow bases that I have, because I feel like it gives me a nice diffused base to start off my eye look with. The BOM 43 brush is a quick all over lid brush. It's a bit longer, so you can cover more ground in a faster manner. The BOM 45 is a classic pointed crease brush, which is really great to do detailed work in the crease. So if you want to really drive in a color and get it to be very concentrated, a brush like this is going to be perfect for you, because it's going to apply it almost like a finger would, because it's pointing directly at the area where you want that product to be applied. The BOM 47 brush, this one is an even more detailed blending brush. So if you really want to go in and be super precise with the color in your crease, say you're doing a very detailed cut crease look and you just need to add color right in a specific place, this brush is perfect for that, because it's going to diffuse the product. In addition to that, it's not going to over apply the color in an area where you did not intend for it to go. Next is a smudger brush, and this one is a classic brush that everybody needs to have to smudge products right in a specific place. So I use brushes like this all the time for my lower lash line, but I'll even go in certain areas on the top of my eye if I need to add color just where I need it to be. The BOM 49 brush is a great small detailer brush. It's one of the smallest brushes that I have in my collection. But you can use this brush in plenty of different ways. So if you need to go in and stamp in color somewhere on your lid, like maybe super close to the lash line, you can. Or you even can use this brush to do your brows, because it's so small, you'll be able to create those brow-like strokes. And lastly is the BOM 50 brush, which is marked as a lip brush. And you can use this to apply your lip products and be very detailed about it. But what I often like to use this brush for is for my lower lash line, because it's so small and it's domed that it's going to blend out that product as you apply it, and you can be super precise with it, as I've mentioned several times. So as you all can see, this brush set is very versatile. You can do an entire look using this set, and I love all of these shapes. I think they're very unique. Also, these brushes were crafted by artisans, so they are handmade brushes, and I think these brushes will elevate anybody's makeup application. So I love, love, love this set. Next, we have the Rose Gold set, and this one is again a 13-piece set, and it comes in the box as well. These brushes are so beautiful. I love a good rose gold finish, and I think that they kill it in the way that they design and have everything be rose gold from the ferrule to the handle. I think that is beautiful. So the rose gold brushes are synthetic brushes, and this type of synthetic hair is very special because it utilizes Omnia's Omnilux technology. So what Omnilux is a crystal micron technology that creates a surface on the synthetic filament that replicates the feel of natural hair. So it feels very similar to how a natural hair brush does, and it also performs similarly as well. So all of these brushes can be used with powder, liquid, or cream, and that's the beauty of having this type bristle. So the first brush is the BOM 02 powder brush, and this one is very versatile. So it is a bigger powder brush, but it splays out super nicely, so it covers a nice amount of surface area on the face. And this one has longer bristles, so it's going to give you a nice big application to really allow you to disperse product on the face. Next is the BOM 01. So this one is a contour brush, but I also really enjoy this brush to apply my foundation all over. The shape of it is really unique, and it really fits in the hollows of your face, and so that's what I love so much about it. Next, we have a BOM 05 highlighter brush, and this one is a fluffier, wispier highlighter brush, and this one, it'll cover a little bit more ground. So if you want your highlight to be need a nice wash of highlight, this one will be a great brush to use. The BOM07 foundation brush is perfect for really applying on foundation. And because this brush is a bit smaller, it can really fit quite nicely right underneath the eye as well. So you can also double this as a concealer brush. The BOM09 is a longer tapered concealer brush. So it's going to fit right here underneath your eyes to really apply your concealer. You also can use this to blend out products around your eyebrow area if you feel that it's not blended out as well as it could be. So it's a really nice, precise brush. Next, we have the BOM12 brush, which is a shader brush. That's a larger shader brush that will cover a lot of ground at one time. So I love brushes like this if I just want to do a nice wash of color all over the lid. But this also will be perfect for blending out cream eyeshadow on the lid as well. So this is the BOM14 brush, which is a crease brush, and this brush will blend out your crease area and get a really nice wash of color going. The BOM16 brush is a really great smudger brush to diffuse products out on the lower lash line, or even smudge it on the top lash line. BOM18 is all about that detail. So just like with the smudger brush, you can also use this brush to do detailed work on the eye area. The BOM21 brush is a very thin eyeliner brush, and this happens to be my favorite shaped eyeliner brush because you can really get a nice thin line of liner going with gel eyeliner. And that's what I love so much about brushes like this, because it really allows you to paint on your eyeliner. The BOM24 angled brow brush is perfect for getting in there and applying brow gel, or even if you want to, you can use this brush to apply your eyeliner. And lastly is the BOM25, which is a lip brush, which is perfect for applying your lipstick. You can get right around those edges and be really, really sharp with your applications. I love all of these brushes. It's a great curation of brushes, and this one is a really great brush set. Next, we have the Omnia Professional 13-piece kit. So here's the professional kit, which was curated with a professional artist in mind, but this also could be utilized by non-professional makeup artists who are looking for a professional makeup application, so don't let that name intimidate you. But with that being said, the composition of this brush kit is really focused on facial brushes, but it also has a mix of eye brushes in it as well, as you all can see. So the brushes in the professional line were developed with synthetic vegan hair as well. So let's start off by talking about the BOM100 brush, which is a really nice flat powder brush that you can really go on and touch up your makeup. So I like brushes like this if I want to go in with more powder, which I actually would like to powder my nose right now, because this is going to allow you to really dust the powder on the face because it's applying it, but it's not disturbing the makeup underneath. Next is the BOM110, which this is a very versatile brush. So you can also use this brush to set your under eye. You can apply your bronzer with it. You can pat on a little bit of blush with it or highlight. It's whatever you want to do. The BOM120 is a great contour brush. So if you're wanting to blend out your contour or even go in with cream blush, this one is a great brush because it fits right into the contours of your face. The BOM200 is a great all-over foundation brush and basically be able to paint it on like a painter. The BOM300 is a great highlighter brush. So if you're wanting to go on with highlighter in a specific area and blend it out, this one is a great fan brush. The BOM265 can be used in a multitude of ways as well. So an unconventional way that I like to use brushes like this is to blend out my under eye concealer. I also will use this for eyeshadow as well, but it's a bit big. So if you use this for eyeshadow, be prepared for a nice wash of color. I also really like brushes like this for applying highlighter in a specific area on the face. So this one is a super versatile blending brush that you can use in so many different ways. The BOM210 is a great multi-purpose brush as well. So you can use this to apply your concealer. You also can use this to apply eyeshadow on the lid. The BOM 410 is a great all over lid brush, but if you need to, you could also go in with concealer and blend it out because the paddle shape is going to allow you to really manipulate and blend out that product. The BOM 430 is a nice tapered fluffy blending brush, so if you need to blend out your crease area, you can do so and get a nice wash of color going. The BOM 402 is a nice detailer brush, so all over the lid, wherever you need to add in a tiny touch of detail, this brush is great for that. The BOM 510 is a dual-sided brush. So on one side it has a nice spoolie, which I feel like that is a very underrated tool that a lot of people don't assume that they need to have. And then on the other side is an angled brush, which is really great to apply that product in and then flip it around and diffuse. So I always recommend for everybody to have a tool like this in your collection. And lastly is the BOM 601, which has a triangular tip, and I love brushes like this for applying lips. So I have two more sets, and these sets are real treats because these are artist favorites. So Royal and Langnickel collaborated with a few professional makeup artists, and they created sets based on their selections. And I love that we're able to take a peek into what tools they would select to have in their professional kits, because as a professional makeup artist, I know how personal a makeup artist tool belt is because it's everything that you need to curate the looks that you're going to do. So the artist favorites also include a brush wrap, and it feels so nice and supple. So these brushes are from the professional line, and these were selected by professional artist Christina Vita. So there's a nice mix of brushes in here as well. So the first one is the BOM 110 brush. So this is going to allow you to set your face as well as do your cheek area. So I love the versatility of this brush. And then we have the BOM 185, which is one of my absolute favorite foundation brushes. I love a very compact brush to blend out products like foundation on my face. The BOM 255 is a really nice brush to diffuse color products. So I will use this for bronzer because it'll really buff it out, and then I'll use it for highlight and I'll use it for blush. And if you want to, you could really even use this brush to blend out your foundation as well. Next is the BOM 460, which I love to blend out my eye primer. You can also apply cream eyeshadows with this as well, but I love the shape of it. I find it to be extremely unique, and this one is a brush that is constantly dirty in my collection, so it's definitely one of my favorites. The BOM 475 is a very thin liner brush, so it's going to allow you to really get in there and draw on your line. And lastly is the 485 brush, which again I use for eyeliner, but I use it for when I want to do thicker eyeliner. These are really good selections, and I think these brushes are super unique. And lastly is a set that I have from David Gilmour. Here are the brushes that are included in this bundle. The first one is a BOM 141 brush, and I love brushes like this, again, for blending out complexion products. So foundation, blush, cream, bronzer. It's just a really nice kabuki style brush to buff that product out and have your skin looking velvety. The BOM 200 is a good brush to pack on your foundation and just really blend it out. The BOM 481, again, great eyeliner brush, very thin, very precise. The BOM 498, you could also do your eyeliner with this brush or go in and do your eyebrows. And lastly, the BOM 447, great eyeshadow packing brush. It's a very nice size and it's flat, so it allows you to really pack on that color and get it to be super intense. So I hope that you all have enjoyed this video and learned more about Omnia brushes. These brushes are some of my favorite brushes that I have in my collection because not only are they sleek, but they're also extremely functional. So they're beautiful to look at and they allow me to create beautiful looks. I feel like there's so many different styles to suit so many different makeup applications, and that's what I love about them. So thank you so much to Royal and Langnickel for collaborating with me on this video, and I hope that you all enjoy your brushes because I definitely enjoy mine. Smooches. Bye.